Welcome to my workshop, my garage. In today's episode, we have the motorcycle that you all requested the most. A Royal Enfield Meteor 350. It's here in the workshop for some care. That super overhaul. And that's not all, it's also going to get several new parts. ARDUO super customization. So let's get started. So make yourself comfortable, get settled in. The mechanic soap opera starts now. Part Mob 1, Preparations. The first thing we'll do is remove the brake caliper, the front wheel, and the front suspension. The headlight, the instrument cluster, the handlebars. Then we'll move on to the rear wheel. We'll remove the rear caliper. We'll also inspect the transmission. We'll change the engine oil, replace the brake fluid, the spark plug, and finally, the air filter. And then we'll install all the accessories that the customer brought us. Part 2, Disassembly. We'll start by removing the caliper screw that locks the axle in the fork. Once that's done, we'll remove the 4 screws that hold the fender to the fork, and then we'll take the fender off the assembly. To remove the fender, just tighten the central support a bit and pull it up. Now, we will remove the brake caliper. To do this, I use a power cable and a socket to break the torque and then easily remove the screws. Note that throughout the process I keep one hand holding the caliper to prevent it from falling off the disc. With the screws loose, just pull the caliper out carefully. Now I use the power cable to remove the axle